This is a Lakewood HV-18. Not exactly sure what year it's from, but I do have the original box. As you can see, it came with a 5-year warranty, which is better than anything you're going to get these days. Instruction manual. Other side. In the front. And the picture on the box is a slightly older model, or a slightly older version than what this thing is. As you can see, the badge is different. It's just, the logo is just molded into the plastic rather than having a sticker on it like that one did. The switch plate is a little bit different as well. If you know anything about those, you'll know that they have the fan symbols for the speed selector plate. You got a big fan for high, a mid-size fan for medium, small fan for low, but this one just has HML. It's also got a different motor. Pretty sure it's still a Macmillan motor, but the vents look a bit different than they usually do. This is what they usually look like. This is still a 2.4 amp permanent split capacitor motor. It's got an 8 microfarad capacitor. The stator is also kind of different on these than it typically would be on a Macmillan motor. As you can see, it's got flat parts on it, whereas usually they're just round. This is kind of hard to see, but the sticker is right there. 2.4 amps, Lakewood Engineering Manufacturing. This has steel blades on it, and even though the box says vibration free, these things do vibrate. It does vibrate a little bit. I think all of these high velocity fans do, honestly. It moves a huge amount of air. It's got really steep pitch on these blades. It moves maybe a little bit more air than the Patton, but that thing is still incredibly powerful. And this thing, I did clean it when I got it. It is in really good condition. I don't think it's been used much. I took the motor apart, cleaned it out completely, oiled it, and it doesn't have much of a startup sound. I was kind of disappointed about that. And then another strange thing, this thing does not have a very low or slow low speed. Usually these things have a very nice quiet low speed. This one's different. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn this thing on. It's got a really nice long cord on it, that's for sure. In very good shape. And starting up on high. There's our amp draw on high, 2.13 amps. Go down to medium now. .51 on medium, 1.5. And here's low. And it does vibrate quite a bit on low speed. You can feel it in the floor. 1.27, 1.28 on low. Go back up to high and do a spin down. I think the spin down time is a little better on this one than it is on the patent, and that's because this has a steel blade and it's heavier. That thing's got an aluminum blade. Alright, now this doesn't have quite as good of a startup sound as the ones with this style of motor did, but it's still got a slightly noticeable startup sound, so let's see if you can hear it at all. Here's high. Alright, I'm probably not going to wait for it to stop completely. Here's medium. Alright, and here's low. Alright, so there you go. There's the Lakewood HV-18, one of the last USA made versions.